Hey guys, Heckleister Burkmaster here. I'm sorry if the last video sucked. This time it'll do better. Here's the little sunkiest. How do your fans? And when my grandma gets out here, I gotta show you something that is pretty hilarious. You know what? I'm just gonna show you right now. My phone dropped. I think it's not busted, so I just dropped it on hard concrete. Watch this. Watch. I'm about to lose my voice. Guys, I'm about to lose my voice. Here, go get Gibby. Gibby. Hey, wow. Hey, can you shut that? Scared of cats. I was showing my fans something. I was showing the YouTube committee that. I'm recording right now.
One of us finished pooping. Covered up. Look.
And I'm showing this on camera.
No, you're not.
I just did.
Mason, don't now. That's disgusting.
Don't say my name while I'm filming.
That's disgusting.
Sorry y'all had to see that, guys.
Take that off.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. See ya? You're getting big. Aren't you, Gipper? Mr. Gibson.
You like sniffing the shit out of my iPad.
Come here, Mr. Polka Dot Belly.
Don't we look cute together?
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If this was better,
Leave a like and comment down below. Say, yes, this was better. Please leave a comment saying, yes, it was better. And I hope you liked. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And always, be awesome.